my name is Alina and I'm a professional makeup artist. Today I'm gonna show you two new shades from Kiko Milano. This is a long-lasting stick. I've already have a video on other colors of long-lasting sticks from Kiko, but this one are new ones. So here you go. Let's just begin with concealing our eyes. I'm concealing it with a concealer from L'Oreal. This is a full coverage concealer. But before that, I would love you to please like my video, subscribe for my channel if you haven't done so, and share it to your friends, because this is amazing product that you can use as a base under your eyeshadows. So if you would like to get something like bluish or greenish, is a great thing to use. So just apply the concealer. So here I use the sponge to remove the excess product, and I'm going to take number 67 and use this base, this long-lasting stick, and then you can, on top of it, you can just press your favorite eyeshadows, the shadows that you want to use, like blue or green or something similar. So now I'm going to start with this green side. This is a very light shade of green, beautiful shade. I'm sure you can see because I'm using it for all over my lid. You can see the shade. Here are the looks that you can create with using this base. Here on the right you can see the looks. You can add yellow, green, any other shade, and on top of this base you can just add the eyeshadows. So simple as that. It's gonna be more pigmented, it's going to be more visible. And once I blended it in, I'm going to go to number 66, which is blue color, light blue, from Kiko Long Lasting Stick, and I'm going to apply it on another eye. So again, I have a base of concealer, and then I'm just going all over my lid and applying the shade. Again, you can just use it only where you need it. You can use it at the bottom, on top, just draw the line, but I just want to show you clearly how this shade is looking, because obviously the camera sometimes is not showing it properly. And you can take a blending brush and blend the edges and leave it like that as well. Here are the looks that you can create using this eyeshadow stick, creamy stick, and yeah, they're blue. On top of it, just apply some blue eyeshadows, and that's it. This one is the green eyeshadow look, and here's both of them. I hope you enjoyed my video. Give me a thumbs up, don't forget, and I love you all. Thank you so much for watching me. Here is the reminder again of what looks you can create. Thank you for watching me. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed.